Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to show you how I created this bold bright pink neon smoky eye, which is so beautiful. I've seen this look in a few celebrities and I wanted to recreate it myself. Actually, one of the looks that really inspired me the most was the look that Patrick Ta did on Camila Coelho for the Met Gala. It was gorgeous and I always wanted to recreate it. Actually went to the NYX cosmetics store, picked up this shadow. It's a vivid bright cream color and it's in the shade Love Overdose and it's by NYX Cosmetics, and I was so happy I found that color and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna buy it. It was $12.99 and I'm gonna create that hot pink neon color that everyone's wearing. And why not, because it's the summer. If you guys are excited and want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. So my face is completely done and now we're gonna move on to the eyes. So this is the part where I wanted to be a little more specific and explain you guys in detail how I did my eye look. For my eye primer, I'm gonna be using the same concealer I use for my under eye, and that is the Fit Me by Maybelline. This one right here, and it's in the shade 15 Fair. I'm also gonna use that to clean up my eyebrows a little bit and use it as an eyeshadow primer. So I'm gonna start by applying this one on my eyelid, and I'm gonna be using this brush right here. This brush is by Morphe. The number is R42. Let me show you guys right here. So I'm gonna keep these very close to my eyelash, and then after we're gonna come in with a different color to actually blend it. But for now, I'm gonna keep it very close to my eyelash. Now I'm gonna be using a different eyeshadow palette, and this one is by Morphe, and this is the 35B palette. It has so many colors. This is how the palette looks like. It has a different range of shadows, and today I'm gonna be using this one right here, which is like a neon pink, and hopefully it got really well with my eyeshadow because I want it to work. I'm gonna start by pressing that color on top of the cream that I already applied on my eye. Wow. And very gently, very slightly, I'm gonna start by blending that over it, but I'm gonna be very gentle. I am not gonna go in full blending speed motion. I'm just gonna go in very gently and just blend that on top of that area where I applied the cream and also the powder. And I'm actually blending in circular motions, and you can also go side to side, but mostly on these outer corners I like to blend on a circular motion, and when I go in I go side to side. More natural and blur. There you go. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye, and if I need to add more color here, then I'll add it a little later on. So I'm gonna go in with these lashes now. These lashes are from the Lash Girls. They actually have an Instagram page. I found these lashes on Amazon like everything else I buy, but I found amazing reviews. It actually comes in with 3 sets of lashes. Look just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of bronzer, and this one is by BECCA Cosmetics in the shade Bronzed Bundy. And I'm gonna take my fluffy brush and I'm just gonna contour a little bit. I'm gonna go in with this setting spray. This is just gonna lock everything up. I'm gonna add a little bit of blush, and this one is by Milani in the shade Coral Cove. So for my highlighter, I decided to use the BECCA Cosmetics Champagne Pop. And this one is a long-time favorite, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the same brush that I applied my blush. Make sure it doesn't have any product, and I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit onto the higher ends of my cheeks, and I'm gonna bring it down a little bit as well. Oh my god, see that glow? It's gorgeous. I'm gonna bring it down to the mouth a little bit, just like that. First, I'm gonna be lining my lips, and I'm gonna be using the color Oak, and this lip liner is by MAC, and it's such a beautiful lip liner. So I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Infallible Liquid Lipstick, and this one is in the shade 848 Dose of Cocoa. This is it, you guys. This is the final look. I am so happy I finally got to recreate it, and I am loving it. I'm loving all the colors. I'm loving this beautiful bright pink neon eyeshadow look. Yeah, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's free. You just have to click the subscribe button down below, and also give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And yeah, that is it for today. I will see you in my next makeup tutorial. Mwah. Ciao, ciao.